Brother, I want to renovate our compound. I want to make it beautiful. You know, for us. You know,
our compound.
Yes.
You want to renovate our compound and make it beautiful. This is not our. Obinna, careful. This is Obinna, and Obi belongs to the first son, Diopala, and Nomabu Diopala. So, what are you talking about?
Have I done anything wrong?
Of course, you have done something wrong. What you have done wrong is that you are planning to renovate Obinna
for us.
How?
So that we can be happy.
I do not understand.
Obi is our Obi.
What are you talking about?
Our father's compound, our Obi.
Has Boga in abroad beclouded your sense of Omenana? What are you saying? You want to renovate Obinna?
Brother, I am doing it for us.
It is not done. You have an Obi. Don't you have an Obi? You have an Obi, where? Go and build in your Obi, then make it beautiful and as large as you want. Is it
wrong that I want to bring happiness and joy in our home?
It is wrong.
What are you saying? Make you happy.
Don't make me happy by coming to renovate Obinna, bro. You don't want to fine.
But then I wasn't work.
My friend, Obo name Romana, he talk Hakawale of ma. Some nation renovate Ben now. How?
But see what I want to do. From here now, whatever now. From here now.
Okay, man, what is he? Buwaru, Obi, Buwaru from Ebawa. Rapu Obinna, because we can Kuchego. From you want to renovate Obi. Let's see you be able to know now what I clear. Let's see you be able to let's say that was an obron with a class. Be careful. What we do can do week ago. Want to renovate Obinna? How? How one?
I'm engineer. Engineer. I don't want to I'll call you back. I'll call you back. You need to put that much somebody wants to change the face of the house in Akobo. What the hell?
It will not happen. When can I come? It won't happen.
Please, you can wait to get on. You have to calm down. Let us know what he has to say.
He has nothing to say. I will not listen to his rubbish. I will not listen to his rubbish. He has nothing to say. In a Sibo now, in a Ngomo.
I'm begging you now, my husband, please. Oh.
Yeah, why? It's your Naba. Leave me and this boy.
Why are you people begging
Small
him?
Boy.
Why are you begging him? What do you think you can do? Nothing.
You're asking me.
I am going to build whatever I want to build in this compound, and nobody will stop me. Neither you or anybody.
Are you seriously saying that?
Serious.
Well, he has said he wants to build anything. No problems. Boy, this is Obinna, and I am the first son. In Anifan Nawai, so go to the place you have your own Obu.
Say, you boy.
You're a boy. You're a boy.
I have the money. I have the money. You shut you up.
You have the money.
If you talk, I shut you up.
Who made you make the money?
Meaning what?
Who made you?
I want to tell you somebody.
It's okay.
Are you thinking about it? Because I came back from abroad?
No.
You think I'm Look at this one. You're fighting me. Who are these people? Who are these people? Who are fighting me? Let me get my gun. I'll shoot you. You're fighting me.
Yeah, 400 na snap 1,000. You check for passport in a taxi. You will forget your passport in a taxi. I will not. Come and shoot. Come and shoot. Because
My husband, what if he injure or kill you now?
I do not care. Listen, I have been noticing his little nonsense attitude just because he went to abroad and made small change. He doesn't know his senior, his elder. Meanwhile, I was the one who made him.
Huh? If you ask me, since he said he wants to build for you, allow him to build a house for you.
I'm going to my wife now. To God, Jimoko Anyagana Ufuna.
Hey!
Now, are you stupid? Nonsense.
It's okay now.
Just an innocent suggestion.
I don't know what you people are fighting for. Your father has many lands, of which he shared to both of you.
Now you're talking. You are talking. Why don't you tell your son to go to his own Aniobu and build something? Is it hard to understand that this is my own land, and as the first son, I am entitled to this Obi, and nobody will take that away from me. Read my lips. Nobody can stop me. Also, I go dig up and also give way. But, bro, don't see me. Let me sound it as a note of warning. Even the birds in the sky will bear me witness that I said that nobody, no matter how much you have, will make me remove my hand from this. So,
Let me see.
Mama, leave me.
I want to talk to you.
Don't talk to me. Motivational speaker. Use that same energy and speak to your son. Because sense is buying an email.
I will still talk to
When
you.
your kidney, because I heard that's what they do, and he wants to come and challenge me.
I will still talk to your
If
brother,
try-
but let me talk to you
If
first.
he tries it,
Eh?
passport to you for
On Anyam.
to God, Okatanya.
Come, let's talk.
You go, they say what you want to do.
Why have you decided to bring problem between you and your brother? This particular Obi you are fighting for, your father gave it to you, and two at Epa. So why are you fighting over it? Allow him build. If he builds in this land, is it not for our good?
Mama, I want you to remove your mouth from this case. Remove your mouth from what is happening. Yes? If he likes, let him go and build at it. Nobody will stop him. He has money. Better still, not go lana. Nonsense.
Are you jealous of your brother's money? Because you have been behaving strange ever since your brother came back.
Emeka, my husband, listen to me. Let me advise you as a wise wife. On no account, I repeat, on no account will you allow that your foolish brother build anything on this Obi.
Why?
Well, let me explain it well for you. This your brother now has made money. Okwaya? When your late father shared his properties, he was nowhere to be found. That was when he was in abroad. Okwaya? So it is you your father shared it with. He told you everything. So you are the one to tell him whatever you want to tell him, or whatever you want to give him, you can give him. So the ball is in your court. That's what I'm saying.
If he thinks he has made a lot of money, let him go to the bush and maybe clean up the bush and build the bush. I'm on the Batego, he may go.
Bam! Now you are talking. Listen to me. I want to repeat it again. On no account will you allow this your foolish brother build on this Obi. Don't you ever think about it. If you think I'm lying, have you tried thinking about what people will say if you allow your younger brother build a beautiful mansion on this land? If he truly loves you as a brother, very simple, he would have just sent you all the money while he was away. So you build it yourself. Not now that he's back in the village, he want to build it to showcase, to show off, to let the world know that your younger brother has made it, and you the eldest, my husband, is going about like a foolish. Don't you ever, if you try it, Emeka, I'll put shame like this family, I will leave you.
You're in order. No, I want him and want to kill him because he has made money. My wife, thank you very much. Without you, why you? Yeah.
Me jealous of Gochuku's money. Mama, listen, in the field of play, onye nye pass, onye nye goal deserves the whole accolades. Now I was the one who saw this boy through school. I was the one who saw him through school. And I gave him pass. We were together and thought of it and agreed that he will be the one to travel. Now I am jealous of his money.
Emeka, I am warning you. I am warning you to allow him build in this land so that he will wipe away shame from our face.
Okay, so you want to wipe shame from your face at the expense of my land. Okay? I repeat, let him go and buy land elsewhere. This Obi is mine as the eldest son, the first son of the family. Final full stop.
Emeka, what has come over you?
He will not build here.
Emeka, what has come over you?
Leave my presence. Stop blocking my way.
I am talking to you.
I don't know what to say on this issue. I know for sure that your father, who happens to be my own brother, will not share his properties not to favor all his children. I know that for sure.
Uncle, I am confused. My brother fought me because I told him I want to renovate our compound and expand it. Probably build on it and make it more beautiful. Because it's a big compound. He fought me.
Let me ask you a question. Were you there when your father was reading his will?
No, but...
Oh, there is no but there. You are more exposed than your elder brother. What you should do now is to go to him and ask him why he declined on your request.
Uncle, I will. I will do that. Okay. But if he refused listening to me, I am going to do whatever I want to do there. I'm going to build on that land. Whatever that is going to happen, let it happen.
Well, I should let you know that the tradition is that every Obi belongs to the first son of the family. Whether the Obi is big or whether it is small, it belongs to the first son of the family. That's the tradition of the land.
Uncle, wait, let me ask you something. Are you saying that the other sons doesn't have any right to Obi, even when they are richer than their father's first son?
That's the tradition. I made it so. I cannot change it.
My husband, do not let this small boy of yesterday provoke you at all. You are the true son of your father. The first son, for that matter. Who does he think he is?
I wonder.
Look at this, your brother of yesterday. Just because he has started touching small change.
One banta
think he has arrived.
One banta belemense.
Does he think we are not living fine the way we are? I want to break it and rebuild. Mba n'ọnụ Jesus kwatuo n'ụlọ nsọ a in 3 days mo onwe m ga-ewuni elu. Ọ na-agba gị n'anya aka ekpe onye ala.
I am here to tell you that I am solidly behind you.
Mana m marụ.
You understand? You're my husband.
A na-enye change.
For where?
Onye anwụrụ ọ na-achọ mma.
For where?
Police ọ na-ajụ ego.
You have me behind you. You know,
I want to come and build in Obi when I am the first son.
He should give you the money to build it. if he's serious about building, let him give you the money. Any hand he brings, use it to follow him back.
Before Uncle.
You are the first son of your father.
Before Uncle.
And the true son of your father.
And then you change. Police on a juego.
The ball is in your court. It is what you
say. On a chomma. Oh, welcome.
Look at me, look at me.
Oh,
I'm
you look
now
good.
a federal Peking, Papa. It's good to be home. Yeah. Sister. Attention. Hey, sister.
Leave me now. I don't know how to do. No problem. At least I'm happy you made me proud. So, how was the orientation camp, sister?
It was stressful. Papa, I have to wake up very early in the morning to take my bath with cold water. And then the sun is just too much.
It's okay.
But all the same, it was interesting.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you, Papa.
Welcome. Please, just go inside there and freshen up.
Yes. I also have a good news to share with both of you.
Good news.
Yes. But first of all, let me go and freshen up. Yes. We can talk about it.
Yes.
Father Lord, I thank you.
Mama, this is confusing. So other sons doesn't have right to obey in this Igbo land?
You are talking as if you are not son of the soil. I am in support of whatever you want to do. But I don't know what has come over your brother. I don't.
Mama, I was trying to do this so I can introduce the woman I want to marry to you and my brother.
Huh?
Yes, it's going to be a very shameful thing bringing the woman I want to marry into this kind of compound, considering the kind of money I have. We are only two.
Yes, you are right, my son. But why didn't you say you want to bring in your wife to be?
Nobody is giving me listening ears. Nobody.
Don't worry, my son. I will talk to your brother.
What?
Yes, I have to talk to him.
Hey, right. Oh, this is so funny. Huh? So you now have to talk to my brother before I do whatever I want to do.
Please forgive. Forgive him. Okay? Please. So this girl you are talking about, where is she from? Who is she?
Mama, she's from this village. She's Mazokoro's daughter, as she told me.
From this village?
Yeah.
Mazokoro's daughter?
Yes, madam.
Hey, I can't wait to see her.
I can't wait. Don't worry, you see her very soon.
Hey! You
see her very soon. Very soon you see her.
Chai.
Tell me about the good news. What's the good news?
Allow her to finish her food.
Papa, I can't wait to hear the good news. Meanwhile, have you gotten a job in an oil company or you're about to work in government house? You tell me about it.
Allow her to eat first.
I don't know. Now we are. Okay, since you cannot wait for me to finish my food. Papa, I'm getting married.
What did I hear you say?
I should be coming here in 2 weeks' time to see Papa.
Never! It will not happen in this house! Never!
What is wrong with you?
Did you just ask me that? You're very stupid to ask me that silly question!
Adab.
Rubbish!
Papa, what is wrong with her? Did I say anything wrong? What is her problem? Did I say anything wrong? I said I'm getting married.
This brother wants to marry you. Where is he from?
Papa, he's from this village. Mazi Obi's second son. You should know him.
Obi's second son? I know him.
Yes, Papa, yes.
What? You have not finished your NYSC. So why the rush?
Papa, I'm not rushing. It's my choice. I want to get married. Hey, Papa. Even you, I don't even understand. Those small good news I gave you people, everybody's now overreacting.
Not that it's a little bit early. Very early. You've not finished school. You have not finished school. It's not that it's rather early.
is it early? Even with your grey hair, you don't want to see your grandchildren.
That's not the issue. The issue is that you're a little girl.
I'm not a little girl.
Because don't you know that as I said, NYSC, you are still in school?
Papa,
why the hurry?
I'm not in a hurry.
How old are you now?
Papa, please, I don't even have appetite to eat this food again.
Go inside. Call me your elder sister from there. What came over you?
Papa, did you just ask me that? Papa, I suffered for this girl. I was selling plantain and beans with the intention that when she's done from school, she will at least work for 2 years and take care of us. And now she wants to jump into marriage, Papa. That's not fair now.
I know about all that. Am I a stranger in this house? But what I'm saying is that you should have allowed her to voice what she has in mind. You acted in a haste. Too fast.
But did you just say I reacted fast?
Yes.
Papa, please, I want to be left alone. Yes.
No problem.
Hey! You see this life, eh? You see this life, eh? Hey! Nena. Just like that. No problem. Okay.
Is it wrong that I want to rebuild this home and that I want to change the face of this place? I mean, build a mansion here for everybody to enjoy. Is it wrong?
No, not at all. What you want to do is what a true son of his father would want to do. You are right on track.
So why is your husband refusing me building a mansion in this compound? Making it beautiful. I mean, to beautify the whole place. Why?
Hugo, honestly speaking, I really do not know what is wrong with my husband. Because as far as I'm concerned, no one will say he or she doesn't like good things. I am in support of what you want to do. 100%.
Okay, good. Now, I want you to help me talk to him, please.
Me?
Yes.
Talk to him? Ha. Okay, you know how my husband, your brother, behaves. I don't want to enter into his trouble. Please, I would suggest you speak to him yourself. This is nothing but a sensitive family matter. I am nothing but a wife. I wouldn't want to get myself involved into it. Please. People are brothers. You know how you can sort it out.
It's okay. It's okay. You've tried, okay? It's okay. You've tried. Thank you so much. You can continue with what you're doing. It's okay.
Ifo Nanya!
Yes, Papa.
Go and call me brother Emeka. Tell him that I want to see him here immediately.
Okay, Papa.
Right. 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 I can't be alive and watch my brother's children kill themselves. Something has to be done. Mami Ifo! Mami Ifo! Where is this woman? Give me water to wash my mouth.
Where are you rushing to?
My father sent me to go and call my uncle Emeka.
Hey.
Yes.
I heard that his junior brother is very rich now.
Yes, so. And he's even planning to build a big mansion.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
It's good now. Thank God for them.
Hugo, can go on with it? Bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye.
Emeka, my son, why do you want me to die before my time? Eh? Why do you like suffering, Emeka?
No. Oh, because Hugo has money. Everybody wants to take sides with him or the man.
That is not what I am saying. Eh? What I'm saying is why do
Mama, I like the way I live.
Are you saying that I...
Good afternoon, ma. Uncle, good afternoon. My father said I should call you.
Why?
No. So I should bring you to the house.
Tell him I will be there.
Okay. Mama, bye-bye.
Back to what we were saying. Allow your brother to build a mansion for me in this compound, not for you.
You see? So, you just know yourselves. You don't know another person. How can he build Obi? Eh? Huh? The whole community knows that Obi belongs to Diokbala, the first son. And I am the first son. How can I allow him to build? Mama, I will have children someday and very soon. And he will have his.
Emeka, do you know your father will be very angry wherever he is? Because Hugo is your blood brother. And this place is big enough to accommodate both of you.
Now everybody likes him. Everybody wants him. Everybody is shouting and praising him because he has money. I don't have money. Also say I know I don't have money. But Hugo will not build on my own land. It's not possible. I know but so you know
that tomorrow your children will live a better life.
This insult will end someday and one day.
Emeka, listen to me.
I will listen to you.
Emeka, you have to listen to me.
Let me go and see Uncle who is calling me.
Hey!
Emeka, why have you decided not to allow your brother build on the Obi? Tell me.
Uncle, there is something you need to understand. I am a married man, and soon I'll start bearing children. So, when he builds on that land, Uncle, he will start giving me orders, start restricting me, start giving me conditions. Somewhere, he will say no. Why would that happen? That is what I am trying to avoid.
I don't think so. I don't think your own brother will give you such conditions.
If he wanted to build that house, why was Uncle? If he wanted to build that house as he claims, why did he not send me money from abroad so that I would do it? Eh?
Well, I know that you are right.
Oh.
That is true.
Oh. The truth of the matter is that I gave him it back. If he wants to build castle, or if he wants to build a mansion or estate, or let him go to the back. I gave him, he will develop it and live comfortably. No, but I am the first son of the family, and Obi belongs to the first son. This village, everybody knows the tradition, and let it prevail, Uncle.
Well, I still say that as you allowed him to build Adekpa willingly, you should also allow him to build that Obi.
Uncle,
out of your own wish.
Rapu the wish. My only wish, because you run it back. I don't want him to come and build the. Listen, my own younger brother, who I saw through school, who I sponsored to overseas, came back and started behaving rich man to me. He started behaving rich. I sponsored him. I saw him through school. Why would I be this Uncle Biko Kode? Eh?
Sister, please just listen to me. Please just listen to me. Just listen to me.
You're very stupid to have said that to me, Nana. I trained you in the university so that you can support this family. And all you could do is to tell me that you're getting married. Nana, what for?
But is it my fault, sister? Is it my fault that I got a suitor so fast?
So you're trying to tell me that suitors don't come to me? Suitors don't come to me. Okwaya? Now listen up. You will finish your NYSC, get a job, work for 2 years before thinking about marriage. Have I made myself clear?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? Nana, what don't you understand? Don't make me change am for you. Do not get me angry. No make me change am for you. You want to marry? You want to marry? Okay? Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, Nana. After suffering for you, that's how look out for. You don't want to help anybody. See, Papa, oh, everything is on my head. You want to marry?
Why am I even crying, Seth? Why am I even crying? It will never happen. I must get married. You now want me to turn to anti-gwegs like you. It will never happen. Then now we get married. Did I stop you from getting married? Did I stop you from getting married? I should not get married. What nonsense is this one? I will get married. I'm even crying, begging you, sister, please now. Sister, for what? I will get married. I cannot come here and talk to her right way. Nonsense. I should stay and walk and Papa, whatever Adaku is planning against me getting married will not work. You better go and tell her. You better go and tell her.
Adaku?
Yes, Papa.
Now, let me ask you. What are you doing now?
I'm a youth corps member now. I'm serving. You're asking as if you don't know again.
Have they paid you anything? Any money? Have you earned any money?
Yes, Papa. They have paid me now. They paid me when I was in camp. That 3,500 oboberego.
Okay, how many months?
Papa, we just came out from camp now. You're asking me, we just came out from camp.
They gave you that 3,500.
Yes,
and
Papa.
It's too big money for you, ba? Now tell me, why do you want to get married?
Papa, I'm ready to get married now. Check me out. What again? Check me out. Or you want me to turn to Auntie Gwegwe like Sister Adako? No, I cannot come here and turn to Auntie Gwegs. Please, I'm ready to get married, Papa.
So, because you think you are old enough to get married, therefore you should go and get married. But let me tell you, don't be deceived by this thing you are carrying. You are still a baby. When your sister was struggling to put you to school, why did you ask her why she was not married?
Why will I ask her? Am I the one that stopped her from getting married? Did I ask her not to get married, Papa? Did I ask her not to get married? She's not sharp now. She's not sharp.
Your sister is sharper than you.
She's not. I went to school. She did not go to school. Yes, I'm a core member.
Your sister that gave up everything, made all the sacrifices for you to finish your education, doesn't have anything, right? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
What I'm trying to tell you is that I must marry the love of my life. Papa, I'm ready to get married. You should allow me to get married now. Allow me. I don't even understand you. Is it that you don't want to see your grandchildren?
Listen, I am surprised that somebody like you is talking like this. After going to the university, you are talking like this. I wouldn't have believed it in my life. I am surprised at you, that you are behaving, that you are talking like this after university education.
Papa, I'm surprised you don't want me to get married. You
No,
don't want me to turn like her.
Carry this thing and go and keep
You want me
them
to be like her. If you don't want me to get married, I don't know what is all this. I must marry you, whether you like it or not. I must marry. I must give birth to twins. Any type of no allow me. I don't know what is wrong with you. You're even supporting her. Instead of you to allow me to get married. Because I want to marry the love of my life. You don't want me to get married, Papa. I don't know. I must marry him. I must marry my love. Whatever you per se, listen, I will find my things around the way. What is all this? Because you have breasts in front. That's why I want to get married. I must marry him.
All that happened to you.
I'm telling you, I just don't know why my sister is not happy that I want to get married.
Mine is the worst here. I wanted to build on my father's land, but my other brother refused. I don't know what has come over him. I don't just know. And his wife is not helping matters here. They've turned that place into a living hell for me.
Then go and build somewhere else.
Do you know what you're saying? That is my father's too. That land is my father's too. So I have every right to build on that land. Okay? I'm just respecting tradition.
Then go somewhere else and build. Please. I just don't want anything to happen to you.
My dear, nothing will happen to me. Okay? Meanwhile, I'll come and see your father by tomorrow.
No. Please. I don't think it's a good idea coming to my house now. Everywhere is hot.
What's all this?
I don't know.
What's all this? What's going on?
I don't know.
Can you imagine that boy went and reported me to our uncle? Ha! Ewujimo. Ha!
Oh, what is even wrong with this your brother? Does he even understand the true meaning of elder blood brother at all?
Don't mind him. Ugochukwu has gone abroad. He has gone abroad and used the bugger to block his brains. Cannot even remember that there's a word called senior brother. No. He thought our uncle would solve the problem. Bah! I told him, no man mekwa.
Bam. And you will never do it. My beloved husband, listen, let me tell you. Never you allow any idiot, not even that Opo, Dogoyalo, take away what rightfully belongs to you. You see this land? Either he give you the money to build by yourself, or you should go elsewhere and build, not on this land.
What will I allow it to happen? Me? Man, I'm not digging. Man, I'm not digging. Onwe mo non kompi. One. Man, I'm not digging more. I make a highway. William, idiot. Situ puzarum do more. Situ puzarum kita hobu. Rapolo oguyan and the more. I want to break the mechanic and as a more. There's no obri again. Nje biko ogisi bi obio.
Something is bothering me. What is wrong with Emeka? He should allow his younger brother to develop that land. After all, he don't have any money. And he is proving stubborn.
That is my point. Do they want their mother to die of heart attack?
Oh.
Hey, who doesn't want enjoyment?
Oh.
And you see that man called Emeka, he will die of poverty, yes.
Nani, I will talk to him myself. I will sit him down and talk to him.
Those children are something else. I don't know the devil that has possessed them. Their father wasn't like this.
Hey,
something must be wrong somewhere.
Yes, Nani, you're right.
My brother, if you ask me, I will say you should allow your brother build on that land.
Bam 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 bam. Akona rubbish ya. Can't get a motivational speaker. Eh? What is this? I should allow him build on the land. Onto.
When this your brother now, Hugo, he has the money and he want to make you people live like Odogu.
I know I don't have money, so don't remind me. Don't remind me. He wants to make us live like Odogu at the expense of my inheritance. Eh? Okay?
Jerry, wait. Have you thought of this with your wife?
Baby, I want to go. Eh? You have started sounding like my father. You are not my father. So some honey because Anati will honey. They want to use honey and collect what belongs to me. So let's be before the honey.
Yeah.
Let her come and marry, let me see now. So I'm foolish, I rejected suitors. I've been suffering myself, selling plantain and beans just to see her through school. She can't even work for at least for 2 years. She wants to go and marry. No problem. I'm waiting for her. Let her come and marry. Let her marry, let me see. Only very. I rejected suitors. All in the name of this.
So you are talking to yourself. What is it?
It's my younger sister. I rejected suitors so that my sister can be able to finish university. Now she's done with school. She can't even at least work for 2 years to take care of me and my father. She wants to rush into marriage. Inudi, behave yangpa. Odimma. Every day, whatever. I suffer day and night. Mamiri, son, see my eyes. Because of fire that comes out from this. Look at my eyes. She can't even take care of me. She wants me to continue in this plantain and beans business. Is it fair?
But wait, honestly, this is so unbelievable. Have you seen the husband?
She said the man will be coming tomorrow for a proper introduction. I got angry and rejected her words. Because my dear, don't be angry. Yeah, don't be angry. Put your mind this area. Change the school.
Keep doing good. One day it must pay. Do not look their face. Evil doesn't pay.
Do not judge me how I want to live my life. it's how I will live.
Go on them. You know, thank God you have gone through school, and I was instrumental. I've trained you through school. And can I modis and I have that go bear. And then I said, I want to get married so that I'll start building up my own home.
Brother, what you just said is not bad.
Okay.
But how do you get the money to take care of her?
Even if I'm not a priest, but I have heard a lot of people say that he who findeth a wife has gotten into a good thing, and thus receive good things from God Almighty.
You're right.
Indeed, he shall provide. He shall provide.
But I was thinking, from my mind though, hey, if someone in this family should travel abroad, it's going to help this family grow. What do you think?
Well, alright, so we'll think through it. We'll brainstorm over it. You can nature more and nature, but who will go if not you? So we'll think about it.
But you see,
money will come. It's not a problem.
Yeah. So I'm coming, sir.
All right.
One is that not to the better. I'm going to I think we didn't to put destiny mother. What is going on? What wrong have I done? Get me.
You have not done wrong to anyone.
Then, Mama, why is Emeka behaving like this?
I don't know his reasons, but he is still your elder brother.
Let me tell you something. Anything that will make me leave this house, I will never ever come back again. Take it from me.
Don't say such, my son. Please. Don't say such and don't try it. I want to see your wife to be. Please bring her home. Oh?
It's okay, Mama. I'll do that tomorrow.
Please.
I'll do it tomorrow.
Oh?
Keep doing good. One day it must pay. Do not look their face. Evil doesn't pay.
Do not judge me how I want to live.
Brother Emeka tell us his own reasons.
Wow. Azonya. Tell you the reasons. Azonya. Ewu Gambia. Anyway, I have said that I do not want to talk about this anymore.
Brother, that means you're a wizard. Yes, because it's only a wizard that do not appreciate good things. Yes. What is wrong?
I'm a wizard.
Brother, Mama.
Mama. Please. It's not a wizard. What did you say?
Emeka. Let one Linda. Emeka, stop.
I'm a wizard. So what?
Why are you pointing at me?
If you talk, I will just out of here. I'm wizard.
It's okay, Emeka, go and sit down.
Call me a wizard.
Hey.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's a good gene. Obiganeko. Eko you do matter. Eko chin nenugu. I'm a wizard. We'll do 5 nights. What wizard? Eh? On a quite okay.
You see what you've caused? You open this your gutter. You get it out to call my husband a wizard. You, as the wife in this family, what did you do? You wasn't that to cause.
Who are you?
You that is the wife in this family. What did you do to calm the situation?
Who the hell are you?
Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
Do you know where I'm coming from?
Poverty.
You know where I'm coming from?
Poverty.
I will lock you up 10 years.
You don't want to get married. Where is the children? You want to stay here. You that is married. You want to stay here. And be putting you that is married. What do you have to show? You know that you're not supposed to do it.
It's okay.
You see this fire you have put? You see this fire is burning, eh? It will consume you.
Sit down.
Hey, are you shut up there?
It will consume you.
Shut up there.
Tell this Linda.
Shut up there.
She's leg of your sister. Show me the proof that you're married. Show me the proof. You that is in your husband's house. Show me the proof.
That's going on.
Your husband is not. We are complaining. My mother is complaining. I am complaining. Go and get married outside there. Anna, come.
Hey! Stop this nonsense. What's wrong with both of you?
How?
What?
Hey, whoa.
No, I cannot sit down.
Hey, whoa.
I'm going to stand with you, my husband. Situation down. Answer me. What did you do?
It's okay. Sit down. Sit down. Hey!
Shut up. Do you want your mother to die?
Uncle, what is wrong with what I said? Hugo, my brother here, made money and decided to build a beautiful house for us. And my brother here refused that he would do it.
Uncle, have you seen it? Because I don't have money.
But you are the first son of your family.
Okay. Emeka, I have heard you. Sit down.
I will respect you because you are an elderly man.
Come to the fight. This issue has been giving me sleepless nights. Like the fight, the tradition still gives the first son the right to the land.
Uncle, it's a lie. That's not true, Uncle. That's not true.
May you live long.
Is it because it's the first son that will give it the God to be messing around?
Imagine.
Or now you anywhere now, first son. For what? Yeah? For where? It will not happen, Uncle. Eh? Or don't go like me. Coming out from this wretched house. Doesn't want me to build a mansion here. For what? Odogu you can see. You know Odogu and that man. That I can't tell Odogu. The top Odogu. Nyapiso Mojiraka. Nonsense. Silly bugger. Silly bugger. Oboge tagide kidita for brain. Getagocha. Imagine cable tradition bugger $10,000.
Yeah, well. Yeah. My son, you are still right. But the tradition gives the Obi to the first son of the family. That's the tradition. I cannot change it.
Uncle, say it again.
But the tradition still states that the land belongs to it.
Uncle, very soon, very soon, you people will ask me what happened. You people will ask me what happened. Because I am going to do that which I want to do. I must build a mansion in this house. I must build a mansion. I'll do it. I'll build it. And nobody's going to stop me.
I support you.
Nobody will stop me from doing it.
What you?
Uncle, can you damn. Okay, can I go up at my brother. I can't even go choose the size of your coffin. I know your size already. I know your size already. Dress it. I want my door and win. Agree.
Hey, Emeka.
Agree.
Why are
are you running?
I agree 24th.
No, why are you running?
Try it. Can you Zulu Gantuska Gantusa? Uchilna for 10 years. You won't see the daylight. Try it.
Oji 400 national 1000. Okataro passport gị. Ichefuru passport gị ebe ị na-eji ili ndị na restaurant.
Nyalo peso, you want Kimbo. You want Kimbo by force. Nyalo peso.
Me jelo for 10 years. Me ga road to nya jelo for 10 years. Me nyero ga Kimbo. The man of one ha. Uncle, onyala e ga dey for saying the truth. Yeah, the ganga.
My husband.
Try it, let me shoot you.
Try it, let me shoot you. You don't need to know why to take
Uncle has finished talking.
You don't need to know that to take ego. You don't need to. It is come out. Have you repaired this car? Not to you. Nonsense. Rapum, talk to him. Talk to him.
I've been talking to him.
Yeah?
I've been talking to him.
This guy is a silly bugger. He's a hoodlum. He's an animal. Go chain and get 10 years of any guy.
Hey. Honestly, my brother, I am going crazy in my own house. Hugo.
You see, Emeka, he's trying to be a nice person here. All he wants to make sure is that Nakulono.
Well, I know about that anyways. I know about that, man.
Then allow him to build. Allow him. He's
now a national news. It's a national news. So say another thing.
See, I'm not trying to insult you. I didn't say anything wrong here. All I'm saying is, allow your junior brother to build. To make the kid code.
Okay, do you also know that I gave him a land at Eba to build? Yeah? Do you also know that do you also know that I was the one who spent my last copper to send him abroad? Eh? Na so ko zo ejuni ni se ekpochine. Ekene weze de kwa ibo. Amaka alu se pekwa mpaka na boka eji ebua. It's not because I don't have money. Then what are you saying? Oge mje chọrọ mpa wine because nwere mmanya ọkụ wunye obi ọkụ na ma bro ka ọkụ.
Hi, Hugo, maybe you need to
my brother.
Wayo.
Aga de. Wayo. Aga de kwa no di nya agwa abani. Onye mo ebe de velisi. Ebe na egbu esi n'ụlọ. Kwa ngọtị abịala arụ. Biko ye mmanya ọkụ ka nwunye obi ọkụ na ma bụrụ ka ọkụ. Ọ dị egwu o.
When I come back, I'm going to change the face of everything here. I'm going to bring down this house and build a mansion here. Be happy.
That is actually our happiness. That is my prayer. That will be our joy. When you get to Obodo Biko, Anyasa, Obodo go linne no mo. At least when you come back, we put smiles on our mother's face. I want to attack before Nali. Alright? Nakadukwanone, and I was born. I did donate side yala. Hugo. Yeah. Nah. Chocolate. I'm due.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sister.
Hi.
You want to marry who? Who told you my sister is ready for marriage? Who told you? Seba poor, get out of our house! Leave! I said you go! What is it? Who are you asking that rubbish? Who are you asking that rubbish? What is it? What is the problem? Who are you asking that rubbish?